viewers, welcome to Lucky Fusion Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make a healthy and tasty tomato carrot soup. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Let's take a look at the ingredients first. Take 3 tomatoes, 1 onion, 1 garlic pod and 1 carrot. Chop the garlic pod, onion and carrot roughly and keep it aside. Now let's get cooking. Add the whole tomatoes to hot boiling water and boil for around 5 minutes. This process is called blanching and it helps to remove the skin of the tomatoes easily. Reserve a bit of the blanching water. We can use this later to dilute the soup. Put the tomatoes into normal water or cold water. Peel the skin of the tomatoes. Chop the tomatoes roughly and keep it aside. In a soup pot, heat a little bit of oil. Any oil is fine. I have used olive oil today. Add the chopped garlic pods. Add the chopped carrots. Add the onion. Now saute this mixture until the carrot and onion gets cooked. Once the carrot and onion gets cooked, add the blanched and chopped tomatoes. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. After sauteing for 2 to 3 minutes, switch off the flame, cool down this mixture, put it into a blender and blend it into a smooth consistency as shown in the picture. Now heat the soup pot, add the ground mixture. Dilute the mixture with the blanching water that we reserved earlier. Add a little bit of salt. Now allow this mixture to come to a nice boil. Once it comes to a nice boil, reduce the flame to low and allow it to boil till the required consistency is achieved. Now the soup is ready to serve. Serve the soup with some tasty garlic toast. Do try the recipe and share your comments. Like and share the videos with your friends. Please subscribe to Lucky Fusion Kitchen. Thank you. Bye-bye.